Spring bar tool. A specialized tool for compressing and removing spring bars. Use a spring bar tool to align with the spring bar, press inward. Then remove the U-shaped retaining bridge. Remove the spring bar, pin buckle, and strap loop. Insert the spring bar into the strap hole. Align one side of the deployant buckle with the spring bar. Compress the spring bar using the tool. Then snap the other end into the buckle hole to secure. Open and close the buckle several times to ensure it's smooth and securely installed. Use your fingers or a spring bar tool to push the quick-release lever. Remove the U-shaped retaining bridge. Compress one end of the spring bar, lift it out of the lever slot. Then remove the pin buckle and the strap loop. Insert the spring bar with the quick-release lever into the corresponding strap hole, lever facing outward. Engage one end of the spring bar into the deployant buckle. Push the quick-release lever to compress the spring bar, align the other end with the opposite buckle hole. Then release the lever to lock the spring bar in place. Open and close the buckle several times to ensure it's secure and operates smoothly.